Enough already. Just thought the fridge drama was over? Oh, it just got worse.
This fridge is destroying my reputation.
Your reputation? What about mine?
You're the problem.
No, you are. And now, the most emotional vegetable. I make everyone cry. Welcome back to the fridge.
Hey, get off my shelf. No way, this is my spot.
Quiet, both of you. This is cucumber.
Ah, the horror. No way, this is ridiculous.
The chill friend. It doesn't complain.
You always do this. Well, you started it. No, you did.
It doesn't judge. It just exists. Honestly, cucumbers are the introverts of the vegetable world. This is carrot. Carrots are the gym friends. They're crunchy. They're healthy. And they judge your snacks.
You're eating that?
Gym friends always know. This is onion. Onion is the emotional friend. Every time you spend time together, someone ends up crying. Usually you. Pro tip, onions prefer cool, dry places, not the fridge.
I can't help it. I'm emotional.
And this is only the beginning of the fridge drama.
No! This is so far! I'm leaking here!
Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next vegetable personalities. If you missed part 1, go find it on the channel.
You took the spotlight! No, you butted in! Liar!
And wait until you see part 3.
This is serious.
So tell me in the comments, which vegetable are you?
Trust me, the drama isn't over.